It's that time again. 2025 is here and everyone's talking about the hottest design trends. But let's get real. Which of these are actually going to shape the future and which are just fads that will vanish by mid-year? In today's video, we're breaking it down. I'll highlight the real trends you should keep an eye on and call out the overhyped gimmicks you can skip. If you're ready to stay ahead of the curve and avoid wasted effort, this one's for you. First up, let's talk about anything that impacts performance. Whether it's 3D elements or too many animations. Now, sure, I don't personally believe 3D and heavy animations are completely out of scope. When used in the right context, they can add a lot of depth and interactivity. But here's the catch: balance is key. Overuse of 3D or animation heavy designs can slow down your website and hurt the user experience. We're talking about laggy load times and clunky navigation. In 2025, we need to prioritize speed and usability. Flashy effects are great, but only if they don't weigh down the site or hinder the performance. Let's leave the over the top animations behind in 2024 and focus on a more streamlined, efficient experience. Next, let's talk about interactive vector animations. Sure, they're fun, especially for gaming or apps, but for websites, especially business or content focused sites, they don't add much value. These animations often distract visitors from your core message. They're visually exciting, yes, but they don't usually enhance the user experience in any meaningful way. If you're designing for a business site, keep it simple and purposeful. Animations should enhance, not overwhelm. Now, let's talk about subscription based design services. These flat rate models look good in theory, consistent incomes for designers, easy access for clients. But here's the reality: most clients want personalized, tailored services. They want to collaborate to build something unique. Going full async, flat rate, it's not going to work for most businesses that needs thoughtful, ongoing design partnerships. Remember when AR and VR were the next big thing? After the hype around the Apple Vision Pro, everyone thought it would revolutionize web design. But here's the thing: it's just not there yet. Sure, AR VR is awesome for gaming and immersive experiences, but integrating it meaningfully into websites, not gonna happen for the average business site anytime soon. Finally, AI in website design. Don't get me wrong, AI is a great tool for wireframing, copywriting, and generating great visuals. But let's be clear: AI can't replace human creativity. It seems too templatized, lacking the personal touch, especially when it comes to website design. As we move into 2025, I believe we'll see a shift away from the overuse of AI generated website and a renewed focus on handcrafted, authentic visuals. Now, let's talk about what's actually going to stick around. Forget the fads. What should you focus on in 2025 to make sure your web design is both future proof and impactful? First and foremost, the biggest trend I'm seeing is a shift towards human centered design. Think authenticity, imperfection, and a more personal touch. People want to connect with websites that feel real, not cold and sterile. This trend is inspired by the Japanese philosophy of wabi sabi, where imperfections are celebrated. It's about embracing natural textures, hand drawn illustrations, and authentic design choices that make a website feel more human. Motion design will absolutely remain a key trend in 2025, but used thoughtfully. Tools like Lottie and 3JS are making it easier to integrate animations into websites. But here's the key: use motion to enhance the user experience, not overwhelm it. The animation should support your content, guide your users, and add a meaning, not just flash and movement for the sake of it. Another key trend for 2025 is the continued growth of Framer templates. Framer's flexibility, ease of use, and focus on interaction design makes it a go-to platform for creating stunning website. With this increasing demand for high quality, pre-built designs that can be customized to fit any brand, Framer templates will bridge the gap between efficiency and creativity. They provide the perfect starting point while still allowing room for personal touches, making them a game changer for both designers and seasoned professionals. AI is here to stay, but it's a tool, not a replacement for designers. In fact, I'm using AI myself to fast track a lot of my work, in fact, even this video. But when it comes to web designing, in 2025, we'll see a balance between AI generated content and human creativity. AI will help with repetitive tasks like wireframing or even generating copy, but the design decisions, the strategic thinking, the creative spark that will always come from humans. So use AI, but don't let it take over your creative process. So there you have it. What's hot, what's not, and what's actually worth your attention in 2025. If you're focusing on authenticity, thoughtful motion, and using AI as a tool rather than a crutch, you'll be ahead of the curve. And remember, web design isn't just about trends, it's about solving real problems and creating meaningful user friendly experiences. Drop a comment below with what you think will shape web design in 2025. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay updated on all the latest trends, tips, and design strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.